Right, this way, got a white 10x10 out front of Mission Row. Got multiple people wearing white inside.
10-4.
What's going on here, guys?
We were trying to figure out where you guys were. We wanted to say hello. And I'm still asking if I can try to use the sirens. Like I won't. You can
put him behind the gate. Lock it.
Such a good idea, please. I want to learn how. You can lock me behind the gate. I just want to learn how to push the buttons.
You can put an application into PD and then you get to use them for free if you make it in.
Whose 10x10 is that?
Savages.
That is correct.
Where's Mr. Savage?
Actually, terrorist. Oh, he's letting us drive
in
it.
here somewhere. Chris Savage is gonna be trying to break into the PD office. Go and put your hands up. Stop trying.
My lord.
I can't stop him.
He's stuck like that. He is stuck like that.
This is a federal robbery or something, is it not?
I'm gonna be tasing you just to get you up to the door. Okay.
Oh, that's gonna work.
Gonna be right back up.
Yep.
Oh. I got sent upstairs.
Push the helicopter.
Can I actually get some help? I'm stuck inside the memorial.
As this license plate says, he's a terrorist. Been here for a while. Oh god.
Help, Noble!
Can I use one of your changing rooms to get my hat back?
No.
Thanks, BB.
You can, no. I'll do hands up and everything.
No.
Please? I just wanna
No.
get my hat.
You keep asking, and I'm gonna be asking you to leave.
What?